Hello YouTube! This is the item you'll need to create your DIY drywall lift. It's a flange hooked on to the end of some half-inch conduit. Uh, this is how I did it. Obviously there's lots of different ways you could do this. And then I slid my conduit down in my scaffold, and I um, stuck in my pins to hold it up. And about halfway into this, I figured out I was going to need to make use of my truck jack, so I pulled that out and made a T. The plaster that I was going over was I pulled down about 2 inches, so I jacked it up and screwed it in, and that seemed to work fine. Here's another example of my T being used with my truck jack, and another example of the drywall hoist holding that 4x8 sheet, which seemed to work fine today. So I'm just throwing this on here in case anybody needs some ideas.